Okay, these are the elevators at Von Maur at the Riverchase Galleria, Hoover, Alabama. No chime. 3. Sorry, I'm balancing a drink here. Really feels like a Nordstrom had a baby with a Boscov's, gonna be completely honest with you. They got the 2 elevator Nordstrom set up, but unfortunately, they are hydro. It's 1 page on a Nordstrom's book they should have taken, but I really can't complain. Whoa, that's nice. Okay, let's go back down. Whoa, bit of a drop there. Here's the Alabama inspection certificate. I guess they need to test every year. Yeah, they do. And here we are back on 1. And that'll do it.